if the battery is stuck at 80% while charging on your Xiaomi 17, then you want to open settings and then proceed to battery settings. Now in here we're gonna go to battery protection, and here this charging protection section, the battery protection or intelligent charging, can be the reason why the battery is stuck at 80%. Battery protection is just like a limit. It is set to 80% and the battery cannot be charged more than that. You cannot really do anything about it, and that is all. So this can be the main reason why the battery is stuck at 80%. There's also intelligent charging, which technically should allow you to charge to 100%, but compared to the battery protection over here, this option takes some time to adjust and to figure out how often you charge your phone, when you charge it, when you stop charging, when you unplug the charger, and so on and so forth. So this option is supposed to also stop charging at 80% and then start charging again from 80 to 100% whenever the phone knows that you might soon unplug the power adapter. So if anything goes wrong, if the phone is still trying to figure out how you charge, etc., your charging patterns in general, then of course you might experience the battery being stuck at 80% as well. So what you can do is you can just switch to charge fully. This prevents from any 80% limits whatsoever. Of course, as a downside, you are not using the recommended option, or actually one of these recommended options, because it is recommended to use some sort of charging protection. But after all, it is your phone, and you can of course decide if you want to use the limit or the charging protection or not. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.